Hi, welcome to Tasty Tuesday with Sahuarita Parks, Recreation and Community Services. Today we'll be teaching you how to make 5-minute quesadillas. Let's get started. What you'll need are some tortillas, shredded cheese, we recommend Fiesta blend or Mexican blend, a pan to bake it on, optionally some salsa to dip it in, a container for that salsa, and a knife to cut your quesadilla up. It doesn't have to be a very sharp knife. We're going to do all of our prep work on the pan, so you can set that down. Lay your tortilla nice and flat on the pan. We're only going to make half a quesadilla, so we only need one. Next, take your shredded cheese and spread it out on the tortilla, only on about half of it. You can see I'm pulling some of the cheese off of the tray. It's just easier to clean up when the cheese isn't melted to the tray. You'll want to get a nice thick layer of cheese in there for the cheesiest quesadilla. Once you're happy with the amount of cheese you have, you're going to fold your tortilla over the top. And once again, you'll want it to lay nice and flat, so you can go ahead and pat it down. Then you're all ready to go in the oven. We preheated our oven for 400 degrees. Put your quesadilla in the oven and set the timer. You only need to do a few minutes. We did about 4. While that's cooking, you can get your salsa dip ready. Go ahead and open up the jar and just pour it into the container. That's all really. When your quesadilla is done cooking, make sure you turn off your oven and use an oven mitt to take it out, as it'll be very hot. Check to make sure it's done. It should look pretty crispy, especially around the edges. Once your tortilla has had a minute or so to cool off, you can go ahead and cut it. Take that knife you got out earlier and start by cutting it in half. I decided to cut mine into quarters for easier eating. Then you're all done. Enjoy your 5-minute quesadilla.
Thanks for watching today's virtual recreation video. Follow us on Facebook and our new Instagram. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks again.